Saint Brynach, patron saint of spring. For the 7th. Feast day is the 7th of April. Lived around the 6th century. See my contact here, guys? Think your contact. And yeah, try to call me, 424-229-4140. See your lifeline not working, not knowing when else those hiding in the shadows with ill intent will be stopping your lifeline from working. Come see me in person to get a nice contact image designed, or tell me who your favorite saint is to design some imagery around. In person is the way to get things done.